Picture this: the 1980s, the Estonian SSR. A unique tradition unfolds. Girls with a spirit as wild as the Baltic Sea embark on a daring adventure. Their mission: collecting seagull eggs. Imagine the thrill! Braving the chilly winds, they climb the rocky cliffs that overlook the stormy sea. Their hearts pounding with anticipation, their eyes scanning for the precious white treasures. But why, you ask? It's a rite of passage, a test of courage and ingenuity. The eggs, a symbol of resilience and life, are brought back and shared with their community. A unique tradition, a testament to the spirit of survival and unity. So the next time you see a seagull, remember the brave girls of the Estonian SSR in the 1980s. Their story, like the eggs they collected, is a symbol of resilience and life, a testament to human spirit.